So, good afternoon all of you. As usual, I am very happy to be with you this month, the week of March. I think we are setting in with summer. थोड़ी गर्मी भी हो गई है. But beyond that, I think today's topic is really interesting. Before I get into the topic, I am Rena Khatri Tandon for you. I am a breakthrough coach, a woman entrepreneur, an author of 5 books. I am also somebody who works in POSH area, which is prevention of sexual harassment. I will be doing also a small short health talk, which will be on women and people who have undergone trauma, people who have undergone harassment, people who have undergone lot of pain and they are suffering. So please do look at different videos of mine. Do subscribe if you want to get in touch with me, whether it is coaching area, whether it's relationships, whether it's something to do with mentoring or speaking engagements. My email address and phone number is over here. You can always WhatsApp me, SMS me and we can get connected. But yes, today's important topic as an entrepreneur, an empowerment person, it is go beyond your limitations. So, go beyond means what? What comes to your mind?
Jump over your limitations.
Yes, jump over your limitations. So you are standing here and I am telling you to jump. Yes, it is. Yes, breaking barriers. That's the topic of your next coming session. So what kind of barriers come on the way? And why am I telling you to jump? आप यहाँ पे हैं, right? मैं बोल रही हूँ आप जो हमेशा करते हो उसके बावजूद आप क्या कर सकते हो और क्यों नहीं कर सकते. गो बियॉन्ड. सो व्हाट इज दैट? क्या आता है आपके दिमाग में?
Going out of a comfort zone.
Awesome. Out of comfort zone. And why? Why should I go out of the comfort zone?
Know your true potential.
Okay. Know your true potential. Good. Okay. Are we happy doing what we are doing?
Many a time we are happy because
Yeah,
we
you are happy.
in comfort zone.
Yes, because you are in the comfort zone. If you keep doing what you're doing, will you have any kind of change? To have any kind of change, what is the first thing?
Different.
कुछ तो डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा. Something has to change, something has to be different, the approach has to be different. If I am saying go beyond your limitation, मतलब आपकी लिमिट इतना ही है जंप करने की. मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको आगे जाना है. For instance, you don't know swimming and I tell you go jump into the pool. Will you be able to do that? How much percentage of people will do that?
With the float you can go. You need somebody to push you in.
Exactly, you need someone. So we'll keep that thought with it. Someone. You need someone, okay? But if you don't have that someone, keeping that later point of view, we'll keep that parked. अगर आप स्विमिंग पूल में जाना चाहते हो, how many percentage of people will jump? Very good. Only 2 or 5%. 2 to 5% is the only percentage out of 100%. Tomorrow I tell you, you want to become a businessman. आपको YouTube वीडियो बनाना है. मैं आपको सब टूल्स दे देती हूँ, मैं आपको सिखा देती हूँ, मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कैसे करना है, सब कुछ दे देती हूँ. आप कर लोगे? कर लोगे? क्यों? I'm giving you everything. I'm giving you the YouTube channel. I'm telling you how to do it. I'm giving you the tools. मैं आपको कैमरा भी दे सकती हूँ, आदमी भी दे सकती हूँ. Everything I'll give you. Will you be able to create it?
There are inhibitions.
Inhibitions. Very good. Still you won't be able to do it. What are these inhibitions called? Another word?
Barrier.
Barriers. What else?
Sir,
How do these barriers come? What did you say?
limiting belief.
Yes. You have some belief which you are carrying. Okay. To overcome this limitation, we are going to see what are the things which are going to affect you. If you keep doing what you are doing in the same way, you will never do something bigger than what you want to do. You will keep doing the same thing. There will not be any change, so there will not be any improvement. So can you go beyond your limitation? No, because you have already. And who has done this? Who has done it? You have done it. Because two people in the same journey are different. So who has set the limitation? We. And sometimes we don't even know what is the kind of person we are. Right. So when you are small, okay, we'll see what are the things which is stopping you. Okay. So what is outside? We have an environment. These are the outside world. Okay. And what here we have certain behavior. What is affected? How does our behavior get formed?
There are many things.
Yeah.
There is an inheritance and there is an environment.
There is a environment and what else?
Inheritance, genes.
Genes. Okay. What else?
And what to call it?
Is your behavior, okay, I'll make it easier for you. Is your behavior dependent on your environment?
Yes. But it is inherent.
Okay. He is saying partly. What are you saying, sir? Is your behavior responsible based on your environment? So if your behavior is responsible with the environment, do you mean to say that whatever the environment does, you will react only like that?
Then, to some extent it will be, because if it's deep winter, I think I'm going for
No. That is your outside. I am talking in behavior. हाँ, अगर आपके लोगों की वजह से आपका बिहेवियर चेंज होता है, अगर होता है तो then you are giving the remote control of your life to them.
Yes, but hota hai.
होता है. Yes, agreed. होता है.
to an extent.
Yes, but here we are talking about going beyond. So should your environment affect your behavior?
Should not.
Should not. But we do get affected, right? Behavior and environment are actually directly proportional, but your behavior should not be supportive on your environment. People say your behavior should be a part of your identity. Okay, and where does that identity come? Is still inside. Okay, there's something here still. So this part is your identity. Now what is between your environment, behavior and your identity? There are two more important things.
Family.
Okay, so family is a part of it. We are not talking about yourself. आपके अंदर क्या है? एक belief है. Belief कैसे form होती है? Thinking. Okay.
It might be thinking, it might be my education, it
Yeah.
might be
Good.
Culture, all that.
Thinking, culture, education, bringing up, lifestyle, growth, whatever your childhood has been, your memories have been. Think of a small child. When he starts, okay, we'll start from this. This is a big grass field. Okay, you have a grass field, you are standing here. And here is where you have to reach. You are here, this is where you have to reach. In the middle, you have long grass. Okay, if you are going to cross from here to here, how will you go? How will you go? कैसे जाओगे आप? इधर हो आप, इधर पहुंचना है. This is your grass field, मैदान है जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी ग्रास उगी हुई है. How will you go?
see there are many options.
Correct.
You can go around it
हाँ,
or you could cross
How will you cross it? You will go like this. Okay. So you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go. The first time you go, what will you see? You have big grass. What will you see in front of you? Can you see any way? No. So you can go either like this or like this or like this or like this, but you will go. First time you are going, you are exploring. Right? What happens the second time? Yeah, it's little open, little clearer. Again you will go. What happens third time?
Day by day it will be.
So there was no path here. Was there a path here? No. But now you have created a path. You have created yourself a road. So to go beyond your own limitations, first of all you have to know what is your limitation. Can limitation be fixed?
No, no. I have to know what is holding me back.
Huh. We'll come to the belief pattern. But should limitation be fixed?
They cannot be.
करेक्ट. लिमिटेशन हर बार चेंज होगा. आज मैं अगर फर्स्ट टाइम आ रही हूँ स्पीक करने के लिए ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट टाइम आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द वे, आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड. बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई गेट सक्सीड, आई कीप डूइंग द सेम पैटर्न अगेन एंड अगेन. So success is guaranteed. My pathway is formed. I become a great speaker. First time I am going into the pool, I will have the fear. I will have ignorance. I will have that doubt, self-doubt. But once I get into the water, I go beyond my limitation. मेरा comfort zone नहीं था to fall in that water. But I fell into it. I started paddling. Next time I go, again the fear will be less. Third time I go, again it will be less. So what happens is our brain also has similar things. When we do something new, we don't know the path, but by doing the first time, if we are successful, we'll form one brain pathway. It's called neuro pathway. The second time we do, second neural pathway. Third time we do, third neural. Fourth time we do, fourth. That thing becomes a bond. It becomes a pathway. This can be positive and negative. So you accept? आप कुछ गलत काम करोगे उसमें भी सक्सेस मिलेगा तो नेगेटिव पाथवे भी बन सकते हैं ना. और इफ यू कीप फेलिंग देन आल्सो योर नेगेटिव पाथवे इज गेटिंग मेड ना. वी नेवर फेल, वी ओनली लर्न. If we are not able to create this neuro pathway in the right way, in the straight way, in the thickest way that we are succeeding, we have to change something. And how do we change it? We have to change this belief. This belief comes where? From childhood. वो याद है, so I think my grandpa said when I was very young, बेटा पैसे कमाना ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ये सुना है? पैसे बहुत मुश्किल से आता है, बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है.
नहीं, झाड़ को नहीं लगते.
हाँ, झाड़ पे नहीं लगते हैं. पैसे आपको कमाने हैं ना तो बहुत सारा मेहनत लगता है, बहुत सारा बाहर जाना पड़ता है, ये करना पड़ता है, धूप में मरना पड़ता है, फिर जाके थोड़े पैसे बचाते हैं जिससे हम लोग काम करके खाना खाते हैं, गाड़ी आती है, टीवी चलती है, बिल्स पड़ते हैं. बट इज वी हैव दिस बिलीफ इन आवर हेड ना. इज मिंटिंग मनी इजी? अर्निंग मनी इजी? इज इट इजी? नो. बट if I say earning money is not easy, it will become more and more difficult. It will become more difficult. But if I say money is very easy, it will come. Believe me, it comes.
It will come.
It is not a joke. It is real. So I'll give you a story of this. My cousin sister, okay, she once came to my place and we were just discussing, me, my husband and my child. So she was asking, दीदी आप कैसे कर लेते हो ऐसा, मतलब फटाफट आ जाता है, and you are able to do so much, and so minting money is easy, is it? So I said, I don't know, elders used to say it's very difficult, but I think if I am able to do it then good. So she started hearing that. She went home. So she just turned 16 now, 1 year back. Okay, so her parents asked her, now you turned 16, Now start thinking about how you are going to not have a birthday and all that. Start thinking how are you going to sustain your bills. She got the shock of her life. मतलब यहाँ पे मम्मी डैडी ये नहीं बोल रहे कि 16वां बर्थडे में मैं बड़ी हो गई तो मुझे बर्थडे पार्टी 16th बर्थडे पार्टी एंजॉय करने को मिलने वाला है. यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि आप अपना कैसे गुजारा करने वाले हो वो बता दो. आपके मोबाइल बिल्स, आपका बाहर घूमना फिरना, आपका खाना पीना आप कैसे करने वाले हो वो बता दो. उसको तो शॉक लग गया. 2 दिन उसको नींद नहीं आई. Third day she called me. So दीदी what is that I can do? मैं तो सिर्फ 16 बरस की हूँ. So I said इरादा तो अच्छा है मम्मी डैडी का, थोड़ा सोचो. What do you like? Where can you earn? उसने बोला मुझे तो कुछ नहीं आता है, मुझे तो खाली maybe I know how to bake a cake. I said okay, you know how to bake a cake? So I said okay, see whether you like doing it again and again. तो उसने एक बार किया, दूसरी बार किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. फिर मैं उसको बोला कि think of going to a professional and learning it professionally. Okay, she learned it professionally, बहुत अच्छा लगा. ऐसे करते करते कभी वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ पे केक लेके गई, कभी वो किसी के यहाँ पे जा रही थी तो लेके गई. एक बार एक आंटी ने उसको फोन करके सामने से बोला आपने उस दिन केक लेके आया ना, अभी 2-3 दिन में ना मेरे हस्बैंड का बर्थडे आने वाला है, आप केक लेके आओ. तो उसने बोला आंटी मैं केक लेके आऊँ पक्का, लेकिन आपको कुछ देना पड़ेगा. तो बोली हाँ लेकिन पैसे लेगी तभी मैं केक लूंगी, वो आंटी ने बोला. बोली ठीक है, पैसे कितने? तो बच्ची है वो, उसने बोला 200 रुपये. अब केक का भाव उसको पता नहीं था, तो शी सेड 200. उसी टाइम पे आंटी ने निकाल के दे दिया, ये 200 मेरा केक लेके आना. उसके बाद ऑर्डर ही ऑर्डर आने लगे. And now she is able to do that in the last 6 months. She is able to sell cakes. Is she an entrepreneur? Yes. Is she set her own business? Yes. 16 साल के बच्चे ने किया है. I am really proud कि उसने इतना टाइम में इतना कुछ कर दिखाया. So it is not about money. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे 1 लाख रुपए मिल जाएगा ना तो मैं बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, मुझे घर का पेमेंट हो जाएगा ना तो मैं बिजनेस लूंगा, मेरा लोन हो जाएगा ना तो मैं बिजनेस कर दूंगा, मेरे पास ये आ गया तो मैं बिजनेस कर दूंगा, वो आ गया तो बिजनेस कर दूंगा. लेकिन सिर्फ वही चीज है, ओनली व्हेन यू हैव रिसोर्सेज कैन यू गो बियॉन्ड. Sometimes when you have little also you can go beyond, right? Going beyond is a behavior which is developed from your belief patterns, which is developed by always upgrading your knowledge and skills. If I am a trainer today, I will be able to deliver this only for some time. If I am a business person today, I can be good in the market only for this time. But when new people are coming, I have to keep upscaling myself. I have to keep renewing myself. I have to listen to new people, listen to new ideas. How are they doing? वो क्यों कर रहे हैं? कैसे कर रहे हैं? उनका thought process क्या है? Only when I listen to them can I get my own idea. What do I like? True? Then I can implement. And sometimes while asking they will give you, okay, this knowledge and skill if you do, then the belief pattern also gets changed. Because एक बार अगर आपको सक्सेस मिल जाता है ना, फिर आपका बिलीफ पैटर्न भी समझ जाता है पैसे कमाना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है जितना लगता है. मैंने ऐसे किया. अभी उसको पूछते हैं ना पैसे है तो बोलते हाँ है. वो बोलते कितने हैं? आ जाएंगे, इसमें क्या है. 2-3 कॉल करती है और ऑर्डर आ जाता है. So for her the mindset is money earning is very easy, not like how we have been brought up. Money is really difficult. पैसे कमाना मुश्किल है, पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं लटके, उसका ध्यान रखो, ये करो वो करो वो करो. ये सुन के मेरे बेटे ने भी बोला मम्मा मैं भी 2 साल में ना बिजनेस करने वाला हूँ. अरे यार कौन सा बिजनेस करने वाला है, 10 साल का है तू. नहीं मैं भी बिजनेस करूँगा. कौन सा बिजनेस पूछा तो बोला मैं ना लाइब्रेरी खोलूँगा, क्योंकि लोग बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते हैं, लोग हमेशा व्हाट्सएप पे होते हैं, किंडल पे होते हैं,
बुक्स पढ़ने की आदत छूट गई है. So I will buy books and I will tell everybody to come and take books from me, read for 1 week and give it back. Everybody will come to me and they will get the book from me, read for 1 week and then they'll give it back to me. I said, how much will you earn from that? 1 week, 1 rupee, 1 book. अब उसके छोटे से ब्रेन में 1 रुपी आता है ना. मैंने बोला 1 रुपी से क्या होगा? बिजनेस करना है. If you want to do business, you have to increase your money. हाँ, बट बच्चे छोटे हैं ना, so उनका थिंकिंग भी इतना छोटा ही है. But he had a good positive mindset. The belief is not set कि I cannot do it. If you think you cannot do it, you will never do it. If you think you can do it, you will do something about it. It is always about, if you keep doing the thing what you are always doing, you can never do something bigger. Face your challenges. I am not saying every time you have to face your fear. I am saying face your challenges. If you are not able to do A, do B, which can help you grow. For example, if you can't do YouTube, do podcast. If you can't do podcast, do blogging. If you can't do blogging, but you will know of the different opportunities only when you know what kind of belief pattern are you having. This has to change. The belief pattern has to change. Knowledge and skill upgradation has to happen, and then your identity will change. पहले तो आधे लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि who am I. So Pranav, what do you want to become? What do you see Pranav as?
I mean, there are 2-3 things which I want to do.
Exactly. What do you see yourself, Pranav, as? So I am an engineer. I am giving you an example. I am a IT chip design engineer by profession. If I have to close my eyes and see what is Rena, I see something that I am a greater speaker, or I am an international coach, something like that. Even though I am doing what I was, right? What do you see yourself as?
I see myself as consultant.
Yes, you see yourself as a consultant. So if you actually see yourself as a consultant, you will do something to become that. What you are doing now, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो match होए. लेकिन most people don't even know that. For example, I was in a seminar when I was doing my seminar on relationships. So I asked the gentleman, why are you doing this 9 to 5 job? Do you like it? He said, no, I wanted to become pilot. So why are you here? So he said, I wanted to become pilot, but I didn't become. But if I get a chance, I will become a pilot. So you don't even know what is your identity. I said, do you see yourself as a pilot? Do you see yourself as a pilot? He said, yes. In the next 2 years, I will be pilot. And today he is a pilot. He left everything and he made his purpose very clear. I am going to become a pilot.
Usually people confine themselves in only 1-2 things.
Yeah, so the middle portion is your purpose, which is P. What is your purpose of living? And that purpose is very clearly designed only when you know what is your identity. You keep your belief patterns clear. You know what is your behavior. It is not supported by environment, but it is supported by you. Only 5% of the people out of 100 people do what they like. So it is out of the 100 people sitting in my seminar, I think I would say if some person transforms like that, that is what we require as change. That is what we say go beyond. But this go beyond can be also a small thing. Now while doing this, जब पाथ अननोन होता है, जब रूम अंधेरा होता है, सूरज की किरण तभी दिखती है जब भी आप एक बार जंप करोगे और जंप करते रहोगे. Sometimes people get success the first time. Sometimes people don't get success in the first 10 times. But should you stop? No. Ideally, no. Some people fail, some people get upset, some people are not sure whether we should continue with this or something else. I would say persist if you really feel yourself there. If I close my eyes, what is that you see yourself? क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? आप क्या हो in the next? What do I want to see myself as? Everybody has their own purpose. You believe, no? What do you see yourself as? Entrepreneur. Yeah. So in that entrepreneur journey, you should, what are the whys? Why am I not able to do it? What should I do? What is first my belief system? So why do you feel it's not happening? If it हाँ नहीं चला. So what did you do further? Okay. उसके बाद आपने ट्राई किया? नहीं. So you left it. But नहीं चला, that word. So something like if you ask a girl why are you not able to give an exam, and if he says because I have to keep studying again and again and again and again, because that word again and again and again and again is indirectly going in your mind. Same way when you are speaking and you say nahi chala, unconsciously it sits in your mind that nahi chala, to nahi chalega. But if I say yes, it is going to happen, let me try once more, maybe it happens. Try it. I have this one story I want to share. So I have a maid. Every time I am coming somewhere outside, I have to delegate some things at home. Correct? So I tell them, okay, आप पीछे से आना करके जाना and all that. So once she didn't come on time, तो मैंने उनके हस्बैंड को फ़ोन किया कि आप बाद में उनको बोल दो कि ये टाइम पे आ जाए, come at this time. So what happens is उनके हस्बैंड फ़ोन उठाते हैं, वो रिक्शा चलाते हैं. So every time I'm calling on Saturday he's saying मैं रिक्शा ठीक कर रहा हूँ. Every time I call him, every Saturday I call him, मैं रिक्शा ठीक कर रहा हूँ. So I said दीदी कहाँ है, उनको बोल दो कि आने का है 4 बजे. So he said that day he said मैं बाहर नहीं हूँ, मैं घर पे ही हूँ, because he has certain clients he goes and picks and drops. So एक dedicated चीज़ है. So I said ठीक है घर पे हो तो दे दो. तो बोले नहीं मैं रिक्शा ठीक कर रहा हूँ बाहर. So I was like one day I got really intrigued and I asked him, आप हर सैटरडे रिक्शा खराब करते हैं क्या? जब भी मैं फ़ोन करती हूँ बोला रिक्शा ठीक कर रहे हैं. तो उन्होंने बोला नहीं मैं रिक्शा ठीक कर रहा हूँ मतलब मैं जब भी सैटरडे बैठा होता हूँ तो मैं अपनी रिक्शा खोलता हूँ, उसमें जो पार्ट्स हैं वो निकालता हूँ, उनको साफ करता हूँ, ऑयलिंग करता हूँ, बराबर फिट करता हूँ, सो दैट मंडे टू सैटरडे वो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे. ओके हम में से कितने लोग ये करते हैं? यहाँ पे रिक्शा इज अस, is our business, is our health, is our well-being. Whether it is professional or personal life, do we actually give time? और हम लोग अपने आप को ही, अपने बिजनेस को ही, अपने नॉलेज को, अपने स्किल्स को उसको ब्रश अप करते हैं, उसको ऑयलिंग देते हैं, उसको इम्प्रूवमेंट करते हैं, नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स बढ़ाते हैं. सो हम लोग कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि रिजल्ट भी आएगा? वो तो हर वीक करता है, इसके लिए क्यों मंडे के फ्राइडे चले? हम लोग तो महीने में एक बार भी नहीं करते, तो हाउ द ऑयलिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस प्रोग्रेस? करेक्ट ना? अभी जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि वी नीड टू गो ऑन अ टॉक. टॉक सुनने में, टॉक बोलने में so much of difference. Everybody is going to give you one learning. Everybody is going to improve in you. Everybody is going to give you something to take away in life, right? Always have an attitude, no matter you win, no matter you lose. No matter you fall, you always learn. You never fail. There has to be one takeaway from each situation. One takeaway from each situation. Each event, each situation. This is the biggest thing which anybody can take away. And before we get into anything else, I want to first do an exercise and then we have how we can improvise by going beyond. So I'll just make you rise. It's only a 1 minute thing. You can keep the camera on and you can focus on them. Please rise kijiye. Yep. You can leave all your things down. I just need you with your hand. Okay? Yeah. Can you keep your hand in front of you? Okay? Yeah, any hand, koi bhi hath. हाथ को आगे रख दीजिए. ओके, नाउ टर्न ऑन द राइट साइड टिल वॉट एवर प्लेस यू कैन गो. आप थोड़ा आगे आ सकते हैं सर. हाँ, ओके, तो टर्न करके उधर ही स्टॉप कीजिए. डिड यू सी द पॉइंट? ठीक है, एक पॉइंट मार्क करके रख दीजिए. ठीक है, आगे आ जाइए. ग्रेट. अभी आंखें बंद कर दीजिए, हाथ नीचे रख दीजिए. कैन यू क्लोज योर आईज? Try and visualize that you are a successful person. You are someone who can go beyond what you are. You have a higher capability. You are much empowered. You are somebody who will go and succeed in every phase of your life. Allow your set expectations to let go and rise way beyond what you think you can do. Okay, now leaving your eyes closed, again raise your hand up and turn fast in the same motion till maximum where you can go. Keep moving slowly till the maximum you can go. Yep, and stop. Okay, open your eyes. Is the place even more than what you are? वही exercise आपने की. You can have a seat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you see that the same hand, same exercise आपने पहले किया तो आप एक पोजीशन पे रुक गए थे, एंड बाद में करने से आपने थोड़ा और आगे किया. So it's not that it's difficult for you to rise over and above your expectations, but we don't want to push ourselves that little 10% also. True? And was it very painful?
None.
No. So even आप थोड़ा और करेंगे तो भगवान बता रहे हैं कि आपके अंदर क्षमता है. You have that capability, you have that power. It's just that you're not making that effort yourself. True?
We don't stretch ourselves.
Yeah, you don't want to stretch. It's not that you can't, but you don't want to. But if you stretch above your limitation, then it is possible that out of your comfort zone you will find success. True? You will find success, or maybe you are just at the corner of it and you are yet to touch it. कभी कभी limitations सिर्फ हम बना के रखते हैं. Limitations, limits, what is the aim is always defined by us. If we redefine them, we can do much more than what is expected. Much more. True? I am just going to give you some takeaways which I have personally written. These are takeaways which I feel are like golden keys to me. I would love to share it with you. I'll need some place, so I will be erasing this off. So I have written, so the first thing what sir said, if you need help or if you want to go beyond your limits, what do you do? Somebody said something. I can't do it on my own because I don't know.
Mentor.
You need somebody. You need to find someone who can coach you, someone who can mentor you, someone who can show you your limit. This is your identity. Now start developing on it. Kabhi kabhi to a person doesn't know. You know that, who are you? I am Rena. Who are you more? I am a father. Who are you more? I am so and so. But actually there will be something which you want to see yourself after 2 years, I want to see myself as a guitarist. I want to see myself on the stage. I want to see myself as a speaker. I want to see myself as an entrepreneur. So you already have something in your mind which belongs just to you. You need somebody to find that out if you can't find it on your own. Sometimes it's difficult to see it on your own. Sometimes you know, I want to be that. But you're also looking for reassurance. Am I right? Is this something for me? Somewhere you want that reassurance, right? So find that someone who can guide you. Find that someone who can show you the way. Number 2, adjust your mindset and the thought process. Oh, that is the first thing. Your mindset, your belief, your thought process. Even if you want to become something, it will always say, oh, you are happy doing your job, you have such a good job, you are earning 50,000 rupees, why do you want to become an entrepreneur? You've seen that many times? They will always question you, why do you want to be this? Why do you want to leave doing, you are happy doing this? Why do you want to become an entrepreneur? Why do you want to become a singer? Why do you want to become a speaker? You are happy doing what you are doing, no?
Not only that,
Yeah.
go to the next step. बेटा जाने से काय?
हाँ,
आज ही सब सुखी रहो.
या तो सुखी बैठा है ना, फिर क्यों करने है? करेक्ट?
क्या जरूरत है?
क्या जरूरत है? Why do you really want to do it?
And they put you down.
And they put you down also. And forget about the others, even you put yourself down.
Think and we put ourselves.
Exactly, you put yourself down also. True. So, the biggest critic in your life is you. Please understand, this is the only person who can raise you, this is the only person who can drop you. Yes,
We say to ourselves, तुम्हारे बस का काम नहीं है.
correct. हम लोग खुद ही अपने critic हैं. Please make your critic a positive critic. Very important. Number 3, find someone, adjust your mindset and thought process. Keep a critic who is positive, and generally it is you. If somebody else is there, very good. Like some people have sisters, some people have siblings, some people have friends. Somebody who can even tell you you are wrong when you are wrong openly. Okay, and that person has to be positive. Number 4, go and embrace your challenges. And go beyond your expectations and pick up something which you've never done. Something which you've never done. There was this man who was the VP of the company. The biggest problem was that he had fear of going in the flights. He had phobia of flying. Every time there were big things, he has to go from Delhi to Chennai, company saying go, he'll say I won't go. He'll send the juniors. So what is he doing? He's closing down on opportunities. He used to go by train if it's very important. But what happens when you have to go out of India? So sometimes your limitations become your challenges, but you have to embrace them. You have to go beyond them, even though they are very big, accept them. Let them come. Some people don't have fear, they have phobias. Phobia is a very intense feeling of fear. वो जीने नहीं देती है. So then there are other modalities which come into play, which we already know few names, NVC, non-violent communication, NLP and things which help to overcome that. But people who are having this kind of system have to be even treated before getting into something where you are going beyond. Because those are also some medical constraints, we just cannot go beyond. कभी कभी कुछ limitations भी हो सकती है. So let's be safe on that side. So embrace it and go beyond something, go and do something which you've never done in your life. Believe me, the time you achieve it, you will be on cloud 9 and screaming, wow, I have sat in the plane finally. I know. For us normal people it won't be exciting. लेकिन जो बहुत सालों से नहीं कर पाए हैं और वो कर दिखाते हैं, उनकी चमक ही अलग होती है. They are really impressed and they are like, wow, I've done something great. You'll understand that feeling, I think, sometimes.
I did.
You did something.
I went in first time in the helicopter.
Oh my God, first time in the helicopter.
Scared, I'm holding like this. Then
Yeah.
the pilot said, क्या घबरा रही है? ऐसे पहली बार आ रही हूँ. पता नहीं आप कहीं गिर गए तो कहीं ये हो गया. I tell you the thrill that came after that, it was
Amazing.
mind-blowing,
Yeah, yeah.
But I refused to sit that help. Pilot helped me, said you sit, I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
He made me sit next to him.
Sometimes that out of comfort
was
zone,
just
this
happen.
man is important. The person who pushes you, the person who takes you along, that person is important.
That's when he
Yeah.
said this and that memory came.
Yeah, yeah. Everybody gets that memory. Everybody has that moment. And if they've not had that moment, they should go and do that moment. Some are with bungee jumping, some are with swimming, some are with water, paragliding, some are even going in the train for the first time, some in the escalator. I've seen even people really scared of escalators. But the minute they go into the escalator, they think, अरे कुछ भी तो नहीं था, बस यही था, मुझे कुछ हुआ क्यों नहीं? Next question will be, मुझे कुछ हुआ क्यों नहीं? So my own mother-in-law had this fear of escalator sometime, and अरे कुछ होने वाला नहीं था क्या? मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं होने वाला था. So sometimes even that is very shocking to them कि कुछ होने वाला था ना. So it is very shocking even to normal people nowadays. I mean, it's not only about the people who are ignorant. It's about the people who are educated and also know. It's all in here. We have to overcome it on our own. That ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. That's the most positive feeling. Next, go for what is unknown to you. Okay, go for unknown. I know go for unknown is a very awesome statement to hear, but seriously sometimes you do not know what is the way out. It's nice to explore. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं जाके वहाँ पे क्या करने वाला हूँ, क्या सुनने वाला हूँ, लेकिन मुझे जाना है. मुझे नहीं पता कोई मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, मुझे नहीं पता ऑर्डर क्रैक होगा कि नहीं होगा. नहीं भी हुआ, the best thing is to say जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ.
There is always choice.
जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ. So even for that there is a story where so there was a lady who was uneducated, and unfortunately after 18-20 years the only statement every time she used to say is ये क्या बात हुई, मतलब ये मेरे साथ ही हो गया. So she used to walk down in the lift, तो लिफ्ट में बोलती थी ये क्या हो गया, ये मेरे साथ ही होना था. So she went near the playground. That time also she used to complain. While she used to get down, she used to complain. While she goes to the buy wala, she used to complain. While she used to go into the maid, she used to go and complain. When she used to come back, she used to complain. When she was at work, she used to complain. And she said, my day only is bad. The day will be bad. Because she is only creating it every time. Every time you say it, it becomes true. And the day was seriously miserable. Everything went wrong. The maid never used to come, the bandis were lying, the lift was not working, the playground somebody hit the ball on her. The day used to always be bad. Then one day while she was going down, a kid came and told her, how are you? Day is going wrong, auntie. And he went off. And she was laughing. And she was thinking, come here, what did you tell me? And she said, I called you, day is wrong, auntie. And he said, why did you call me like that? He said, because every time I hear you saying, the day is wrong, the day is wrong, the day is wrong. Just like how my grandpa japifies, om. Seriously, the day is wrong, auntie. So, she was thinking for almost 4 hours that what did this boy tell me, the day is wrong, auntie. So she said, I will not do this, and I will say, जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ. Whatever has happened, it's happened for good. Okay. Days went by. Every time she used to say that, something good happened. One day, because she was not educated, she learnt English, she developed herself, and she went for her first interview. As she went to the first interview, she got this person coming up to her and asking her questions, panel. And they said, unfortunately, you are not qualified. We can't take you in the company. So she didn't say that, oh God, I did not get the. She said, thank you very much. There is some good in it. So the panel वाले लोग पूछ रहे थे, what is good in this? you are trying and fooling us. We told you that you are not suitable for it. She said, no, I am not joking, I am not making you feel bad. There is some good in this also. Why? Because you told me this, I know that I am not still fit enough, I will go and prepare again. So again they told her, wait. They again had 2 rounds of interview, and then they told her something happened during that interview which was more positive, and they said you are hired. They said you are hired. And she came out and she said, thank God, the day was good. वहाँ पे बैठ के भी मिरेकल होते हैं. Seriously, miracles happen. But it's only here. It's only in the mind to go beyond and think everything is good. Yep. Next, visualize yourself at the next level. So this was the next thing. Start visualizing what do you want to. Visualize yourself at the next level, what you want to become. What is that you see Mohan, Rohan, Pranav, your name, his name, what do you want to see yourself as? What is my next level? Set it, visualize it, establish clarity of how you are going to achieve it, clarity in achieving, how and what will I improve, what am I going to do, who am I going to meet, where is the ways, where is the means. Yes, everybody doesn't know how, but you have to start somewhere. You have to ask people, you have to meet people, you have to talk to them, but otherwise I will not have clarity of my own goals. If I don't have clarity, I want to become a doctor, can I become a doctor? No. I will be happy doing what I am doing. मैं खुश हूँ उससे. I will not be able to do any progress. But if I have to do a change, change will happen only when there is growth. And growth will happen only when you know who you are, change your belief, and have a behavior which is not affected by environment. People cannot control you on your remote control. You have to keep your remote control with you, control your behavior and emotions, and also have a belief that you will be able to make your purpose based on who you are, your identity. Okay, and last but not the least, try and acknowledge, aware and address your weaknesses too. And say it's okay. Everybody is not perfect. It's okay. Embrace, accept, be aware of your weaknesses. Everybody is not perfect. Know your weaknesses so you can avoid them and build on your strengths. But everybody has weaknesses and it's okay. It's okay to fail sometimes. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Yeah? But to go beyond, I think maybe these golden rules will help you. And thank you so much for today, for being such a lovely audience. And I think you already got the proof of going beyond. When you did the exercise, you saw that your limitations are not stopping you. It's only the mind which has to work towards it to make you go beyond. Thank you so much, and you are welcome to ask questions. Thank you. Thank you.